In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage CMS collections in Webflow. To get started, open your project in Webflow. Once you are inside the designer, look over to the left sidebar and click the CMS panel, which is the icon that looks like a stack of coins. This is where all of your collections and CMS content will live. So it's the main area you'll use for setting up structured content. From there, click Create New Collection. Webflow gives you a choice here. You can use a pre-built template, such as blog posts, if you want a faster setup with common fields already included. Or you can choose New Collection if you want to build everything from scratch. The best option depends on the type of content you are planning to manage. Next, set the singular and plural names for your collection. For example, if you are creating a blog, the singular name might be Post, and the plural name would be Posts. You will also want to customize the collection URL, sometimes called the slug. This affects how the content appears in your site's URLs. So it's a good idea to make it short, clear, and relevant. After that, add your custom fields based on the kind of content you need to display. You might use plain text for titles, rich text for longer formatted content, and image fields for visuals. The fields you create here determine what content editors will be able to fill in later. So take a moment to make sure your setup matches the structure of your site. When everything looks right, click Create Collection to save it. Once the collection is ready, you can start managing and populating your items. If you want to add content manually, click on your new collection and select New Item. Then simply fill out the form using the fields you created. If you already have a large amount of content prepared, you can use bulk import to upload a CSV file and bring in many items at once. Just make sure your CSV columns match your field slugs, so the content maps correctly. Webflow also gives you useful content controls. You can keep items in draft status while they're still being reviewed, which is helpful if content isn't ready to appear on the live site yet. You can also archive items to hide them without deleting them permanently. To display your CMS content on the front end, go to the CMS page area. Collection pages act as template pages that automatically generate a unique layout for every item in your collection. You can drag elements onto the template and bind them to your CMS fields using the Element Settings panel. If you want to show multiple items on a regular page, drag in a collection list element and bind the elements inside the list wrapper to the matching CMS fields. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.